Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel The Learning Katta. Today I am back with the fourth video from the series Class 8 ICSE Maths, and we are on the chapter 1, and we are going to start with exercise 1b, which is based on subtraction of rational numbers. So let's get started. So I'm going to take a few questions, like each question from each question. So first is evaluate. First question from that is 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5. Now when we are subtracting, obviously like addition, we need the denominators to be same. So let's do that first. So first we will find the LCM. So LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So this number we will multiply by 5 and this one by 3. So 2 multiplied by 5 upon 3 multiplied by 5 minus 4 multiplied by 3 upon 5 multiplied by 3. So that will be 10 upon 15 minus 12 upon 15. So that gives you 10 minus 12 upon 15, which is equal to minus 2 upon 15. So that's how you solve it. Just the operation has changed, method is quite same, right? Now let's go to question number 2. Now in question 2, they have mentioned it like this. 5 by 8 from minus 3 by 8. So it says subtract 5 by 8 from 3 by 8. So what happens, many a times students get confused, they write it like this. 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8. So this is wrong. So the number which comes after from is to be written first. Okay. So we will be writing minus 3 by 8 first. So minus 3 by 8 minus 5 by 8. This is the correct way of writing it. Now we will solve it. Now if you see, denominators are same, so we can directly perform the operations. So that gives us minus 3 minus 5 upon 8. We just combine them. So it gives you minus 8 upon 8, which reduces to minus 1. This is how you solve it. So only difference is they have mentioned the word from here, because some students, they get confused. It is confusing. Now we will move to the fourth question. So the next questions are based on a different type, wherein one question, when suppose in an operation there are two rational numbers and the answer is there. So one rational number is given, other you have to find. Okay, let's see. I'm starting with question 4. So I'll just read it. It says sum of two rational numbers is minus 2 by 3 if one of them is minus 8 by 15. So one rational number is given. Other is to be found out. So let's get started. So I will start with the rational number which we have to find. Let x be the required rational number. This is allowed only for me. You are supposed to write rational number, the whole word. So by the given condition, one rational number is minus 8 by 15, other is x, and the addition is minus 2 by 3. We have to find the value of x. So we'll have to solve this equation. Now how to solve it? It's very simple. I'm solving it here. Now we have to find x, so I'll let it be on the left hand side. Minus 8 by 15, I'm going to move it to the other side. So that becomes x is equal to minus 2 by 3. Now this minus 8 by 15 becomes plus 8 by 15. Whenever we change the side, we change the sign as well. Right? So this is what you have got. Now this is plain simple addition of rational numbers. Right? So first we find the LCM because denominators are not same. So LCM of 3 and 15 is 15. So to convert 3 into 15, we'll have to multiply both of them by 5. I'll let this be as it is because we already have 15 here. So that becomes minus 10 upon 15 plus 8 by 15. Minus 10 plus 8 upon 15. So that gives you minus 2 upon 15. So the required rational number, the other rational number is minus 2 by 15. That's your answer. Always write a statement after word problems at the end. Okay, once you solve them. Now let's move to question number 6. Question number 5 is similar like question number 4. One rational number is given, other you have to find. So I'll move directly to question number 6. But if you still have confusion on 5, just comment, mention it in the comment. I'll cover it. So what does the question number 6 say? So which rational number should be added to minus 7 by 8 to get 5 by 9? So the sum is actually same, just the wordings are different. So we will start with let the required rational number be x, right? So by the given condition, one rational number is minus 7 by 8 and we are adding x to it to get 5 by 9. So we have to find x. It's quite similar to the previous one. Like I said, wordings are different. So when we move 7 by 8 to the other side, we change the sign. 5 by 9 remains as it is. Minus 7 by 8 becomes plus 7 by 8. Now we add them. Now 9 and 8. What is the LCM of 9 and 8? It is 72. If you don't know, you can find it by the method of LCM which I have discussed in the previous video. But still, if you are confused and you want me to make a separate video for that, please mention it in the comment box. So 5 8s are we get 40 upon 72 plus 63 upon 72. So that becomes 40 plus 63 upon 72. So that gives us 103 upon 72. That's your required rational number. Write a statement after that. So the answer which you have got is 103 by 72. You can let it be as it is or you can express it in mixed fraction. I'll tell you how. So it's 103 divided by 72. So 72 ones are 72. So you get 31. So this can be expressed as 72 is in denominator. So we are going to write it here. The quotient comes here and the remainder comes here. So we can write it as 1 integer 31 upon 72 as well. So that will be your final answer. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 8. Now in question 6, they asked us which rational number should be added. In question 8, they have asked us about which rational number should be subtracted from a particular rational number to get a particular number. Okay. So let the required rational number be x. So by the given condition. Now the given rational number is minus 5 by 6. But what are they saying? Which number should be subtracted from minus 5 by 6? So minus 5 by 6 will come first. Then we are subtracting the required number to get 4 by 9. That is how you form an equation. So if the equation formed is correct, the answer will be correct. But if this equation is incorrect, the answer will be incorrect. So always re-verify it. Give it 1 or 2 minutes to think and check and then proceed. Okay. So like always, we change the sides of the numbers. But what I am going to do here is I am going to change the sign of. Okay, so we will proceed in the same way. We will change the side of the number. So it becomes 4 by 9 plus 5 by 6. So sign changed here. On the left hand side we have minus x. So just keep this in mind that we have to take this into account. Now 6 and 9. What is the LCM? It is 18. So I am going to multiply this by 2 and 5 by 6 by 3. So it gives you 8 upon 18 plus 15 upon 18. So that's 8 plus 15 upon 18, which is equal to 15 plus 8 is 23, I think, upon 18. Yeah. So what did we get here? We got minus x is equal to 23 upon 18. But we need the value of x. That is, so we just have to change the sign. X is equal to minus 23 upon 18. That's the required fraction. Now again you can express this as a mixed fraction like I explained in the previous one. So 18 ones are 18. 5 is the difference. How will you express it? Now it has a negative sign. So I'm going to write a negative sign here. What is the denominator for us? It is 18. Remainder comes here and quotient comes here. So this can be written as minus 1 integer 5 by 18. That's it. These are some word problems from the exercise. Now that's the last question. Question number 10. I'm going to cover one sum from that. Then we will be done with this exercise. Now question 10 is again evaluate only. But I thought I'll just cover it because it has 4 rational numbers to be added at once. So first sum is 3 by 7 minus 4 by 9 minus 11 by 7 and minus 7 by 9. So how will you add them? So first observe, are there any similar denominators? Yes, there are. So first let's collect the terms which have similar denominators. Now whenever you are making some changes, always carry the sign with that particular number. Don't forget to carry the signs. Now this minus and this minus, it will become plus. Now this plus and this minus will become minus. So it becomes minus 4 by 9 minus 7 by 9. This will remain as it is. So let's first add these two and then these two. So it becomes 3 plus 11 upon 7. There's no need to put it in brackets. I just gave it for your understanding. Now here, when we are adding this, it will become, so let's just take the minus sign outside. So it becomes 4 plus 7 upon 9. I have taken both the minus sign common outside. So it becomes 14 upon 7 minus, this is 11 upon 9 minus 11 upon 9. Now we can solve this. What is the LCM of 7 and 9? 63. So 14 multiplied by 9, 7 multiplied by 9. So to be able to solve it quickly, you need to remember the tables. 14 nines are. Now I don't remember, but I'm going to calculate it quickly. So it's 126 upon 63 minus 77 upon 63, which is equal to, okay, so it's 49 upon 63. Now we can even further reduce it. 7 sevens are 49 and 7 nines are 66. So that's your final answer. Always write the final answer in the reduced form. Don't leave it here, otherwise you may lose half marks or something. Okay, so make sure that you always check that the final answer is in reduced form. Now here the exercise 1B ends. I have just covered one question of each type. If you want me to cover any particular sum which I have not taken here, mention it in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Please like, share and subscribe.